lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Gnomes take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 1st to February the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. Again, meron po tayo ibang readings doon. Nakapost na rin po yung February the 1st to February the 7th reading. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So parang meron tayong, hindi naman sinasabing kalandian. Well, magandang tawagin kalandian yung partner na natin, di ba? So let's say meron na tayong ka-exchange ng ating puso. Ayan. So somewhat, no, nare-reciprocate din natin. Now, here's the thing. Meron tayong binibigyan ng attention, affection, no? Meron tayong sinasabi ditong, kumbaga, napupusuan. Now, this reading may also apply to trabaho, family members, business, no, pera. So, how? Let's say meron tayong isang bagay na gustong makuha. Yun yung gustong-gusto natin. Kung ito'y trabaho, position, probably, or company gustong pusukan. Yung puso na napupusuan, yun. Company na napupusuan. Ayan. So, kung ito naman ay family members, baka meron tayong, ay, nagiging favorite ko siya, no? Ganyan. So, kung kaibigan, you have your best friend, di ba? With the 4 of Wands in here, so parang ito na nga, stable na, no? Medyo stable naman kayong dalawa. Parang it started as, ang ganda-ganda, ang okay. Now, with the 4 of Wands kasi, this is something that's, probably you're also looking forward for stability. Pwedeng hindi pa stable, pero you know, that this is stability. Ibig sabihin, napaka-firm ng foundation. Kung ito ay trabaho, then probably you're thinking of, dito ako papasok kasi well-known yung company. No? Alam kong hindi magfa-file ng bankruptcy or if in case, sobrang layo. No? Baka mayaman na ako, hindi ko na kailangan ng trabaho, hindi na ako mag-aatubili, no, na maghanap or mag-hop ng iba-ibang trabaho, di ba? Kung business, so parang feeling mo, ay, ito ang in, or parang sinasabi natin, let's say pagkain, di ba? So, ang pagkain, wala yung uso-uso dahil hindi naman nauuso ang putahe, nauuso, di ba? Like pares, no, kay Diwata, yung ganyan, nauso, nag-trend, pero still pagkain, no? Ibig ko sabihin is lahat ng tao kumakain. So alam mong hindi medyo malabo ang pagkalugi. Now depende na 'yan. Kasi kung pagkain, depende na 'yan sa iyo. It's not about the competition. I don't believe in that. So kung quality naman ang iyong siniserve, bakit ka bakit ka malulugi? Kung meron ka mga parokyano at nasasarapan naman ng mga pagkain at ikaw ang binabalikan, walang pagkalugi, di ba? Now, kung pagkain, diskarte mo yan kung paanong lasa, di ba? Kung ano yung lasa. With the 4 of Wands and the Prince of Cups. So parang ang dami mong binubuhos na time, energy, effort, nakakabuo ka na ng dreams, no? Kumbaga, this energy person becomes an inspiration. Now, kung ito'y buhay pag-ibig, nakikita mo na ang future nyo, no, na nasa isang bahay, no, or probably nasa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, no, naglalakad sa snow, holding hands together, building a family, you're walking down the aisle, no, saying I do. Ayan. Ngayon, nagtataka ako bakit may biglang nagbago with the Five of Pentacles. Bigla-bigla kasi yung pagbabago nito, like things changed abruptly. Parang okay tayo kahapon na. Pagising, natulog lang ako. Pagising ko, nandito na tayo sa sitwasyon na ang lamig-lamig mo na sa akin, no? With the Seven of Cups. So parang iniisip mo dito, nasaan kaya yung mali, no? Ako ba ang may mali? Siya ba ang mali? Nasaan yung disconnect? Probably, there's also a lot of things in your plate right now, so which means napaka-busy natin. Ang sinasabi natin dito, saan tayo, ano yung pwede nating gawin para magkaroon tayo ng bridge doon sa energy na yon against sa tao na yon, no? Or sa trabaho na yon, or sa opportunities na yon, no? So parang sinasabi natin, ano ang kailangan kong gawin? I think, so marami tayong naisip possibilities. Baka may nanira, baka nga ako may problema, baka siya may problema, kailangan namin mapag-usapan, no? The World card, something really changed. So, World card can be a change for the better or a change for the worse, no? As you can see, parang itong depiction na ito is hindi naman sila same ng species, pero parang ang tapang-tapang mo naman para makipag-away sa lion, no? Ang sinasabi mo dito, because something in you changed. Alam mo na parang deep in your heart, ay kaya ko yan. Kaya ko siyang labanan or whatever the challenges is, no? Kaya ko yang ma-surpass. With the King of Swords, bakit merong nagalit? Meron ditong, either this is you or your person, no? Sabihin mo, ay, nagkakapalit po yung reading, siya po yung galit, hindi po ako, or ako po yung galit, hindi po siya. That's okay. Alright? What I am reading here is the dynamic. May isa ditong galit, tapos yung isa naman parang sinusuyo. So, meron ba ditong, totoo ba yung galit, or baka meron lang itong habulin mo ko, no? Meron ba ditong part na, oo, totoo yung galit ko, pero meron ba dito naggagalit-galitan para, oy, habulin mo ako, with the Temperance in here and the Two of Cups. Nandun pa rin naman ang pag-ibig. Ayun naman, nandun pa rin naman pala. So, nandun pa rin ang opportunity, nandun pa rin naman. All you just have to do is to try. Ngayon, kung ikaw itong nakagawa ng kasalanan o pagkakamali, huwag na mag-atubili to make a move and try it again, because the Death card is, it might be an ending and it can also be a rebirth, no? So, ang pwede dito mangyari is, pwedeng meron kayong separations ngayon. But what you can do here is to also open the door for a chance, for another chance, second chance, third chance, it doesn't matter. Now, with the Four of Swords, so ang nakikita natin dito, para kasing sinasabi mo, ako na naman, nakakapagod naman to, ako na naman ang gagawa ng paraan, pero anong gagawin natin? Nami-miss na natin with the Six of Cups, right? Six of Cups is a nostalgia card. So, would you rather live in a situation wherein lagi mo na lang naiisip, tapos gusto mong makasama? And then why not, di ba, sabi nga din sa Bible, love keeps no records of wrong. 1 Corinthians, I forgot. I'm not talking about religion, okay? This is not about religion, but I just mentioned that for the sake of argument. Charot. Di ba, parang nga, it keeps no records of wrong. So, kung alam mong ito naman yung makakabuti, makakaganda, okay naman na magpakumbaba. Kasi namimiss mo naman at namimiss nyo naman ang isa't isa with the Ace of Pentacles. Ito naman din yung parang tatanggapin, hindi naman ibabalik, tatanggapin, ino-nourished, no? And parang sasabihin, I appreciate yung effort na ginawa mo with the Wheel of Fortune. Mas maganda yung parang dadating na umaga. Mas maganda yung dadating na opportunity. mas magbubukas ang door for the both of you to grow and mapunta kayo dun sa walking down the aisle. Now, with the Princess of Pentacles, hinahinayin lang natin. No? Ang gagawin natin dito is, baka naman kasi din nasasakal, masyado tayo magbigay, no? Unti-unti. And there are people na hindi nakakaya yung pagka-overwhelmed ng mga bagay-bagay. So, instead of, meron talagang taong ganun kapag nakita nakita mo na, ay gabundok itong challenges or gabundok itong task. Instead of, yung iba kasi, ay kaya ko yan, no? Yung iba pa nakita, ay nakakapagod, uwi na lang ako, no? So, you also have or need to adjust, no? Doon sa partner. Ayan, so, let's get a message from the universe, Sagittarius. Again, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo, doon po, no, sa ating Mabaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon, interactive, pwede kayo doon magtanong, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Again, meron po tayo ibang mga readings doon, no? So, manauna na sila. So, kung hindi kayo resonate dito, baka na doon po ang inyong reading. Ayan. Kung hindi rin kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website. Sa description box po ng video na ito, there's a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, question form, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, Sagittarius, what's your message from the universe? My outer experience are a reflection of my inner condition. So, ito yung tinatawag nating manifestations wherein nandoon kayo, no? Yung feeling mo na magkakabati kayo, yung feeling mo na magkakaayos kayo, that's also a part of manifestation, and that is the most important part of the manifestation because of the feeling. Now, all you just need to do is to take some action. Hindi naman ganun kadali. Hindi naman ganun kahirap to reach out, no? Parang, sige na, pag santabi na natin kung ako'y may kasalanan. All we just need to do is to fix this issue and probably we can learn from it, right? So let's check the zodiac sign of your reading. These might be their sun sign or a placement of your person's sign. Now, I'm seeing Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Did I just mention Virgo? Yes, Capricorn. Leo is here. So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.